Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this wig and also how to define the curls, period. Okay, and by the way, today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, you want to know how I got this look? Let's get straight into the video. Let me show you something quickly. No glue was used to achieve this look, period. So please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and for a discount code Manaso 20 you are going to get 20% off and you're going to look this fabulous. So guys, I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. So this is the lovely packaging. Let me show you what's inside. So the first thing that they sent me is this wig cap. There are actually 2 wig caps inside, and they also gave me a mirror which is branded. Lovely. They take packaging very seriously. That's what I love about them. A Luvme hair scarf to lay edges, and also a Luvme hair brush. Cute. So this is the hair inside. Everything is purple and gold, my favorite. So this is how now this is the wavy wig that they send me. It is a bob. Look at the quality. The hair is super soft. So this is how it looks inside. It is a 4x4 closure wig. It has an elastic belt, and it also has combs, and it also has extra adjustable belts. I think y'all can see how it looks. Very soft. So I'm quickly going to install it. Please do check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this wig. Remember, I have a discount code for you. It is Manaso 20 and you are going to get 20% off. So without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me.
So guys, as you can see, I'm already looking really good. The wig is looking really good. I know there are people who love this big curls kind of vibe, but I want to show you something, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and straighten this side. I want to show you how easy it is for the curls to bounce back, and also to show you how easy it is to define the curls when you are wearing Luvme hair. Okay, period. But you all know that I love proving, so I'm going to prove it to you that it is super easy when you are working with Luvme hair wigs. All right, so yeah, let's do this. I'm loving this big curls kind of vibe, and I'm also really obsessed with the way the wig is so secured, you guys. Oh my goodness, I know some of you are also worried that, oh my goodness, is my wig gonna fall? Honey, you can run, you can do anything, your wig is not gonna fall. It's really secured. So yeah, let's define the curls right now.
I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Guys, did you see how easy that was? Did you see that? Oh my goodness, look at that. Look how defined the curls are now, as if I did not straighten the hair. Okay, wow.
You know I met you in the dark, it was a Saturday night. Remember seeing you just dancing in the middle of the crowd. There was something about you, cause you got stuck in my mind. Stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd give it a go and I started talking to you. I don't know what I said, but the next thing I knew is that I held you in my arms and you asked what we should do. What should we do? What should we do? I said you can do what you want to with me, yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya, I wanna hold ya. You got those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans. In every room you walk into, you're always setting the scene. I wanna hold ya, hold ya. We went out of the club and we started walking the streets. And then we stopped for a while and you said you wanna kiss me. I remember thinking, is this really happening? Happening, happening. I never thought I'd meet someone so beautiful. I couldn't quite believe it, it was magical. Just kissing under streetlights on our way back home. Our way back home, our way back home. I said you can do what you want to with me, yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya, baby, I've been falling for ya. I wanna hold ya, baby, I've been falling for ya. Falling for ya. You got those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans. In every room you walk into, you're always setting the scene. I wanna hold ya, hold ya.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and I have a discount code for you guys. It is Manaso20. You are going to get a 20% off when you click the link in the description box and you purchase this gorgeous wig. Okay, did you see how easy it was? Super easy, period. I'm loving these glueless wigs. They are making my life super easy, and I know that if you are working a 9-to-5 job, I don't care what you're doing. If you are going to gym, if you are going to buy groceries, you can quickly put on this wig, look this gorgeous, and go about your day. This is gorgeous, guys. This is really beautiful. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.